चल इन लोगों को छोड़। बताओ ये कौन है?
पुष्पा के भैया।
कच्ची मचाली। देखा देखा, ये मेरा पति। सुन, पुष्पा सिर्फ एक नाम नहीं है, पुष्पा मतलब ब्रांड।
Last 8 years, you were making faces on the phone, so stuck up on our intercaste marriage, and suddenly इतना concern क्यों?
What do you mean concern क्यों? Concern है हमें।
है तो आना चाहिए था ना pregnancy के time में. You didn't come, my mother-in-law didn't come. How do you think I delivered 2 babies? He helped me with the childbirths. जब labor induce किया था, pain नहीं हो रहा था. Contractions हुआ, but the cervix was not opening. I needed so much blood because I had lost so much blood. It was such a mess, and he was taking care of me all by himself. Like a nurse. And you know what the most important thing is? एक बार भी complain नहीं किया उसने.